group of climate change organizations have
Emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
This is all wrong.
Climate change refers to the change in the environmental condition of the Earth. This happens due to many internal and external factors. The climate change has become a globally concern over the last few decades. Besides, this climate change affects life on the Earth in various ways. These climate change are having various impacts on the ecosystem and ecology. Due to the change in number of species of plant and animals have gone extinct. Causes of climate change. Climate change is primarily driven by human activities, particularly the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, include the generating power, manufacturing goods, cutting down forests, using transportation, producing food, powering buildings, and consuming too much. Effect of climate change. The effect of climate change are already being felt around the world, and they are expected to worsen in the upcoming decades, like a rising temperature, sea level rise, extreme weather, and ocean acidification. Prevention and solution.
Go Zero Waste.
Reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. Transition to renewable energy. Improve energy efficiency. Sustainable transportation. Plant trees. Conserve water. Sustainable food choice. And advocate for change.